How long do you think it would take to make these look like the day I got them? Start the clock.
Alexa, turn on the light box. This is the fast and easy way to do it, and it works. No chemicals. This is just water. I'm not using a brush and spray kit, making a mess, taking forever. I'm not using wipes. Those don't work, especially not on scuffs. I know what you're gonna say. Those don't look very dirty. Well, I like to keep these looking good. I'm going fast here, but I'm not pressing hard. You press too hard, you're gonna flatten the sponge. If the sponge smooths out, it won't work at all. It's gotta stay puffed. Gonna have to rinse this thing. Again, just water. Back at it. There are other household erasers out there. They don't work like this. This is extra durable, extra compressed, multiple layers, patented. You can use this white side until it's all the way gone. Look how fast this was. This took no time out of my day. Now I can get back out there without being embarrassed of my marked up shoes. Look at that. Again, don't press hard, swipe. Do not scrub. I'm gonna rinse the sponge, let it dry, add water again later when I need it next time.